Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can screen record on your phone without having a sound playing. So if you turn down your volume, there won't be any audio from the phone playing, I guess. I use this app called Techsmith Capture, and basically if I hit the record button up here, it'll start recording. You can also do it from the tab up here. There's going to be a Techsmith Capture button. You can start recording from that. And if you do use that app, and for instance you open TikTok and a video starts playing and you don't want it to overlap your voice, it's not going to play unless you turn up the volume. I know it doesn't work for the usual screen recording, but I usually just use this. I'm just going to select this clip. To save the video, I usually just press share, more, and then save video, and it's going to be saved to my gallery. And that's how you can screen record without background audio playing. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!